rin po yung staff ko po, si Len Calvo, yung musical scorer po namin, tsaka po si Marilyn, yung colorist po namin, tsaka po si Ian Marasigan, yung second cam operator po. Ano ba? Sir Alvi, thank you po. Yun po. Maraming pong salamat at sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa pelikula namin.
Again,
All right.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin once again. Of course, the cast, director, and of course, producers of I Fell, It's Fine.
Again, thank you sa mga kaibigan namin na nandito. Sila,
Desiree Choi!
Rojun, Julian, River, kay David, hello David. Kay Tita, hello Tita.
Hi, Mami.
Kay Bianca King, kay MMD, thank you so much. Kay Kokoy at kay Buboy. Let's go! At kay Miss Nessa, from Jimmy Films, thank you rin po for coming.
And si Miss Tracy.
Miss Tracy.
Ay, si Tita.
Ayan, sa nanay ko, sa pamilya ko, mga pamangkin ko. Sana
Yan.
magustuhan niyo to!
Sa management ko din. Michael Icoco, thank you.
Ayun, thank you Kuya Eds.
Rachel,
and
thank you.
syempre sa Wide International Partners, thank you po for being here.
At dito rin po pala yung PD namin, si Roma, tsaka po si John.
Si Joshua Jonicio din, thank you. Yee, thank you. At saka syempre, ang Rastro Rebels, ang Rastro Nugen, Siberians. Ayan, okay na, panoorin na natin, ano? Sige na. Tara na.
All right, we'd like to ask everybody to please. And I'm Nate Salmendez, and we are honored to welcome once again all of you to the red carpet premiere of I Fell, It's Fine, produced by Y International. At syempre, kailangan din namin magpasalamat sa ating mga sponsors, Ara Magic Hair, Dear Claws, Clara Pierre, and Luxus Aesthetica. As well to all of our partners, maraming salamat po for making this night, this movie, possible.
Yes, at ngayon pa lang, binabati na po namin ng congratulations ang filmmakers, ang cast and crew, ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng pelikulang ito. Please join us in giving a round of applause for the talents who poured their heart into this project.
Palakpakan po natin sila. This is it, the moment they've been waiting for.
First up, we have Sir Alcris Galura as Fox.
I think Sir August is still being held up by the media there kasi talaga namang mag-init ang suporta ng mga miyembro ng ating press and media. Full support tonight.
Yes, kitang-kita naman natin kanina sa labas. Kasi nga, ang tagal nang inaantay ng mga tao to. Lahat talaga, hindi lang yung fans ng Rastro, pero even para sa buong industry kasi when they first paired up, it really shook the landscape of Philippine TV.
Yeah.
Kaya now that they're back together, everyone is beside themselves.
At talagang napapanahon yun kasi 10 years later, it's a 10-year anniversary gift, of course, from Wide International to everyone, not just the Rastro fans, pero syempre individual fans of Rian and Liza. And here it is.
Once again, first up, we have Sir Alcris Galura as Bob.
Kuya, pa-shot din kami, please. Nandito po medyo sa likod.
So guys, ramdam naman natin ang pagmamahal ng mga fans, ng friends, ng press,
Kuya,
para sa
disclaimer
inyo
sa
at para
media
sa
po.
pelikulang ito kahit hindi pa nila napapanood. So ano ba yung short message ninyo para sa lahat ng lumabas ngayon tonight to show their support for you guys?
Anybody in the cast can answer? Go ahead. Huh?
Sige, hawak
Go
ko
ahead,
na.
Rian.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagpunta at sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa pelikula namin. Napakatagal nating lahat hinintay na mangyari. Napaka-espesyal talaga ng gabing ito dahil lang sa gabing ito, nagsama ang apoy at yelo.
Pero walang puksa ang mangyayari ngayon, pagmamahalan lang. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga taga-media, taga Sparkle, GMA, sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito. You know, mga bandmates namin nandun, no? Julian, Dasri, Rojo, thank you. Thank you for your support, guys. We really appreciate it. And syempre gusto ko lang din pasalamatan ang aming mga producers. Miss Pauline, Miss April, parang kailan lang pinag-uusapan lang natin tong konsepto na to. And now, it's finally here. Mapapanood na natin siya. At dahil sa napakahusay na pagkakasulat naman ni Direk Sigrid Andrea Bernardo. Ayan. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the film.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom. Hi, Bianca.
Picture, compress,
Miss Stacy, hello.
compress.
All right, let's have a group photo with our cast, of course, producers and director here in front.
The role of June. Well, thank you. More than anything, thank you so much to all of you for coming out today to support this great event. And of course, thank you to Wide International for letting me work with you guys. It's an honor. And of course, this beautiful, beautiful love team for this movie. It's my honor to portray the catalyst. So I hope that you guys enjoy and of course support us. April 4 na po, I felt it's fine.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Wow, grabe for the show to mga person. Sige. Magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ho sa time and effort ninyo sa pagpunta ngayon. Sobrang na-appreciate ho namin kayong lahat. So, ayun nga po, ako po si Queen Ay Mercado. I'll be playing...
Left and all right, to our left. Thank you so much. And finally, to all of our cameras and videos here, to our right, to entertain our media, of course, and press people here sa aking magandang.
Once again, we have Sir Alcris Galura as Bogs, Ice Arago as Jack, Rina Mercado as Liz, Rafael Rosell as June.
We also have Sir Dennis Evangelista, line producer, executive producers, Miss April Martin, and Miss Pauline Publico of Wine International Film and Entertainment, of course, the one and only art director, Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. Buong buo yun. And of course, syempre, last but not the least, right there.
And of course, playing Chicks and we have Miss Galiza De Castro and Rian.
Alright, final photos taken before our entire team of I Felt It's Fine will enter the cinema. Alright.